back to another video. I only said that I would make videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I know it's Thursday, but I got the slime stuff, finally. Slime! So, let's get right into the video. Wait, guys. First, I'm going to make the slime, and then at the end, I'm going to show you what it turned out to be, okay? Okay, guys. So, I'll be right back. Well, the slime experiment did not work. I'm going to keep on trying. So, yeah. Guys, I think it's working. Well, I dumped that slime into here. I really think it's working. Do you guys see it working? Look at my fingers. Oh, you guys can't see it. There's like ilky stuff on it. Okay. So guys, unfortunately, it would not work. All that hard work for nothing. All that hard work for nothing. Well, I'm going to keep on trying to see if it'll work. I'll meet you guys if it works. But if it doesn't work and the next time I meet you, that would be the end of this video. So guys, it did not work. But this is not the end of the video. I tricked you. I'll be right back, okay? Guys. Do you know who's in there? It's my little brother, Kane. I will be filming him sleeping. Okay, I'll be filming him sleeping. Okay. So yeah, if you guys know, here's my bathroom, my brother's room, my room, Kane and Guys' room, my mom and parents' room, and downstairs. What the frick is that? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Oh, hey there, beautiful. Okay, guys, so let me just get him a bed. Oh, yeah, if you guys didn't know, I have a ginormous teddy bear. I sleep on him every single day. Oh, guys, wait. I feel something. I'm bleeding. Ew, that tastes disgusting. Haha, I got you guys. That's fake. Look at my hands. They're so dirty from the slime. Which it was a slime feel because my dad told me that that wasn't contact solution. Jeez. Oh my god, guys. I'm actually bleeding. I'm not kidding. Okay, guys. I'm back. I just got out of the shower. It was just like one minute shower break, so that's why my hair's wet. And that was not real blood. It was just red food coloring. But that's why I had to go in the shower to wash it off, but it didn't really come off. Oh, jeez. See, my finger's still kind of red. Look at my hand. Wait, the red's gone in my hand, but look at this, guys. You can still see it a little bit. Well, it's 6 o'clock, so that'll be all for this video, okay? Okay? Bye!